All right, so in the first part of this video, we walked you through the 4 processes for creating the toolpath. Now we're going to show you how to verify it and how to post this file and turn it into an NC format so that we can bring that to the Tormach mill and run this part. Okay, so to verify that it ran correctly, it should cut and view the way that it's supposed to look when it's the finished part. So to do that, we're going to click up here where it says Toolpath Group 1. That selects all of our toolpaths. So it's going to verify all 4 of those. And we're going to go over here to verify our selected operations. And you can, by pushing in the middle scroll wheel on your mouse, by pushing it straight down like a button, you can orbit this around so you can view it in the best way. And then hit play. You can slow it down a little bit. So this is going to go through and take us through the engraving operation first. And a small step over here, so it takes a little bit of time. Okay, and then it happens so fast, but it does show that we have our 80 thousandths thick tab. We have our cutout, which cleared through the material. And then we have our 2D chamfer toolpath that takes and puts that nice rounded. It's a 2D chamfer, but it put a nice little fillet in there for us with a ball end mill. Okay, so that is what we want it to look like. That's what our part is supposed to look like. So that's great. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to post this so that we can bring it over using a thumb drive or a flash drive to the CNC machine. So I can just close this window. I'm going to bring that back to my top. And then so to post these operations, again, they're all selected. So I'm going to go over here and hit the G1, which is the post processor. It's going to default to my Tormach mill. And all of my default settings are correct for that. I'm going to say OK. Make sure you are selecting USB drive. And what we want to call this is Tormach Workshop. And put your name in there. Put your first name so that we know that we're getting the correct file. And hit save. Okay, from there, we should get the G code to pop up. Okay, so we have our Tormach Workshop Dustin.nc numerical control, and it gives us all the information we need, all of our G code, all our machine codes, and we're going to take and we're going to bring this over to the Tormach. We're going to put it into Path Pilot, and we're going to start setting up our stock. All right, thank you.